In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink GitHub from Discord. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Discord application on your computer or navigate to the Discord website in your browser. Once you're in, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, you should look for the user settings. You can find this in the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon next to your username and avatar. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. It will take you into your user settings. Once you're in the user settings, you'll see a menu on the left side. Here you want to look for the Connections tab. This section is where you can manage all the third-party integrations linked to your Discord account. Click on that Connections option. After clicking on Connections, you'll see a list of all the accounts that you have linked to your Discord, including various social media and gaming accounts. Look for your linked GitHub account in the list. It should be pretty easy to identify because it will have the GitHub logo next to it. Now that you've found your GitHub account, the next step is to disconnect it from Discord. To do this, simply click on the little X button that you'll see to the right of the GitHub logo. This action will initiate the unlinking process. At this point, if everything goes as planned, a confirmation pop-up might appear on your screen. This pop-up is just to ensure that you're really sure about disconnecting your GitHub account from Discord. If you're certain that you want to proceed, go ahead and select the option to confirm the removal of this connection. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked GitHub from Discord. It's always good to review your connections every now and then, and make sure that you're only sharing information with services that you're currently using. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that if you ever need to link GitHub back to your Discord account, the process is just as straightforward. You would follow the same steps to get to the Connections tab, and then look for an option to add GitHub again. It's all about keeping your account organized and ensuring the integrations are the ones you want. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you found this little tutorial helpful. If you ever have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist. And don't forget, if you found this information useful, subscribing and liking the video really helps out. It lets me know that you're interested in more content like this. All right, that's all for today. Have a great day, and happy